Hi everyone, come back again. Today, right, FCPO is a bit gap up. That means you already saw the power of heads of gangster at first floor. Now, right, we want to monitor. Price may have chance to wash and range or not because price just move up to wash and rinse, they need to move to 2301. That means they still have room to move up 30 point. To monitor this time, right, we need to check back with the small time frame. That means we should look for this kind of movement. I think yesterday we already mentioned about this loop and this loop. That means now priority got power up. Now they move higher than previous high already. What we should do? Okay, if you think you want to speculate, right, it's okay. But speculate need to put stop loss. Okay, speculate need to put stop loss. That means if I redraw this movement again, because we already saw the big movement, we draw this again. Okay, if we redraw this again, right, that means if you don't have any position, we draw this horizontal line to identify this high. Why we should draw this high? Because we want to identify higher high. Because now if price move this higher high, that means it's positive for uptrend. You have to choose in terms of trading. You want to follow market when they rally down. That means if you buy here, right? That means if we draw the line from here to here and to here, and draw the line from here to here, that means you try to buy high. One more round. You try to buy high when market move down. To play safe, right? To save yourself, I think it's good for you to buy when market retrace. To buy when market retrace, right? That means you should wait until market retrace first, because now, right, market already make higher high. Okay, make higher high. We just apply. You see, right? If you try to follow by here, well, I want to tell you, it's really bad because market is downtrend. But when market break above previous high, some classic theory, maybe if you're familiar with some classic theory, you try to entry long when market make higher high. That means after you bought, market is go down here. It's really bad. This is a real situation that trader need to solve problem. Trader need to find what they call the right signal in the right situation. That means if you think you cannot accept trading, it means judgment based on market volatile, based on your mindset or your psychology that you want to make money for market. The first thing that you should know, you must control yourself, your heart checking when price move up and move down. You need to control yourself when price against your position or positive with your position. That means now, right, for my opinion, I think I may wait when market move up again. After that, after market move up to show off they have power enough. Power is not mean our power. Okay, they have potential enough. If market rally up, I wait until after that market retrace again. If market retrace again, right, I may apply ARTT version 2 to find the N3. Why we N3? Because we based on heads of gangster, but I just want to let you know. Um, if you want to buy and you want to apply heads of gangster at first floor here, that means you want to buy against trend. This is my suggestion. If you want to buy here, that means you want to buy at against trend. Against trend is not easy because now, right, market is downtrend and shows strong trend for downtrend. That means if you want to buy, you need to take risk by yourself. Okay. But if you wait until price rebound and weak to rebound, you sell maybe better. I know everybody or someone try to trade every day. But if every day don't have good signal, why you want to entry? Why you want to action? From my opinion, I'm really simple. I may move this to this again. After that, try to apply basic knowledge to identify the right signal to entry short. Yes, maybe some of you already want to entry or action every day. But for trading, right, you should to find the right signal in the right situation. If you try to buy and sell, buy again when market want to move down, it's very risky. Even though you can saw uh, heads of gangster, but this heads of gangster against trend. Candlestick cannot against trend. That means any decision making that one against trend, that means you take risk. Okay. I will wait, for my opinion, I will wait until market rebound. And after that, we will apply ARTT version 2 to identify where is a good price to sell. If not rebound, if I don't have any position, I will not action. Okay. Because if you try to buy when price ding dong here, maybe waste time for you. As I mentioned, right, refers to FCPO. FCPO, right, we look at this as a center. Center cannot identify anything until center move finish. And the good thing is if you want to buy that, mean market should not move lower than 1698.3 for fbmkl. Okay, this is just our strategy. If anything happen and if I'm free, I'm not sure because I need to prepare myself for this weekend. I can mention this long weekend. I have to talk on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I need to prepare myself. Hope to see some of you in Kuala Lumpur or Penang for this weekend. Thank you very much. See you after market close or anything happen, or if I can snap any signal, I will let you know and share my idea in Facebook. Thank you very much.